Welcome back, Roblox enthusiasts. Today we're diving into an essential and recently updated topic: how to allow Roblox to access your files on your PC. With new updates rolling out, ensuring that Roblox functions smoothly is key for an enjoyable gaming experience. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Roblox website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the familiar layout and all your favorite games waiting for you. Next, take a look at the web address bar at the top of your browser. Right next to the URL, you'll see a small padlock icon or a similar symbol that indicates site information. Click on that icon to access the site information for Roblox. Now you'll see a menu with various options related to security and permissions. From here, find and click on Site Settings. This will bring up a new window where you can manage the permissions for Roblox. In the Site Settings, scroll down to find the Permissions section. Here, you'll see a list of options related to file access and other permissions relevant to Roblox. To allow Roblox to access your files, simply enable the permissions you want to allow. This may include options like file access, camera, or microphone, depending on the features you wish to utilize while playing. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully allowed Roblox to access your files on your PC. Remember, keeping your permissions tailored means a better gaming experience. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.